Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unban Ome TV account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in ometv.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Ome TV. After you land to this page, now scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you will find the option of contacts. Go ahead and click on it. With that, you will be directed to a new page. Now over here, you will find this email address. Now I have to copy this email address. After you copy this email address, close this browser and launch your mail app. Now you have to send a mail, so click on this option of compose. In the to section, paste that copied mail, and in the subject section, type in Unban Ome TV. Now over here, you have to explain about the issue and then send it. After you send this mail, Ome TV support team will contact you within 24 hours. So that's basically how you can unban Ome TV account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.